Hello everyone, welcome back to Current Gyan. So let us begin the next festival, that is Loshar. People of the Sherpa, Bhote, Gurung, Thakali and Magar caste from the northern mountain of the region celebrate Losar festival with a great joy of occasions and commencement of the new year that falls in the month of the Magh according to the Tibetan calendar. Counting of these years is done in the name of mouse, cow, tiger, cat, eagle, snake, horse, sheep, monkey, bird, dog, and boar. The cycle repeats every 12 years among the different losar. They have been practiced granting of the public leaves of the Sonam, Tammu, and Gailog losar. Next is Janai Purnima. The full moon of Shravan of the every year called Janai Purnima, uh, Rishi Saptami, Rishi Tarpani Purnima. On this day, the special sacred threads and Raksha Bandhan, the yellow and the red thread rounded on the wrist from the priest, and the priest are given some amount of the money as a honorarium in the return. In the same community, the peoples eat nine different types of sprout lentils germinated after being soaked in the water called konti. In the different communities of the Tarai, sisters tie Rakhi or decorative bands around their brother wrist and wishes for their each other long life on the day. The next is Chaiti Dasai. Celebrated on the eighth day of the bright half of the month of the Chait, the festival is also called a small Dasai. The Duras from the Lamjung Grand celebrated this festival. The chariot procession of Machindranath had been held on this day. Sri Panchami. The festival celebrated on the fifth day of bright half of the Magh is called Sri Panchami or Basanta Panchami. The festival is the symbol of commencement of the spring seasons. The goddess Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge, is worshipped and revered. Recitations are performed on her praise. It is believed that one who have good learning by the worshipping Lord Saraswati with the devotion at the temple and the homes, and by writing the goddess Saraswati name on the walls of the temple. Basanta Stravan, the hearing of chant, is performed by Hanuman Dhoka Palace on the same day. The act of listening the hymns of about rhymes spring seasons is called Basanta Saravan. Next is Udhauli and Ubhauli. The festivals is celebrated by the peoples. Rai peoples. The festivals is celebrated twice a year. One is Udhauli and another is Ubhauli. Some peoples have traditions of celebrating these festivals as Chandinath. Some as Sakela and some as Sakewa, and some are Vaishakhi and some are Vodangmi. The festival is celebrated at different times and with different names because of the fact that every even the Rai people have different culture. Uvali is celebrated during the Baishak Jyeshtha, whereas the Udhauli is celebrated during the Kartik Mansij. In this festival, Nachong or the priest worship at the place like Chandinath, Magarthan, and Mangkhim, etc. by chanting or reciting Mundhun. Peoples have been tradition of celebrating the festivals by worshipping the ancestors, dancing and singing with the beating of cymbals and other eating delicious food. Next one is Judistal. Nepal people regarded Baisakh first the new year, whereas the Maithili culture Judistal falls in the second Baisakh and the new year in the is supposed to have started from the same day. Collective feasting and the cultural programs are organized on this occasion. The festival is celebrated with a full enthusiasm like Holi by throwing the red color and mud to each other in the neighborhood. On the festival day, the elder guardians get up early in the morning, take bath, and complete their daily activities. Had pure cold water on the right hand palm, poured from the water full of a small metal pot, and spray it to the others in the blessing, and thus festival is supposed to name as Judistal. So the next one is Jatra, Biscuit Jatra. Celebrated from the fourth day of the last week, the month of Chaitra, to the Sankranti, the beginning of New Year. The Jatra is also called Biswaketu Jatra or Bishwakitra Yatra and Jatra. Since the festival is celebrated from the end of one year to the beginning of New Year, this is also called 2 year fair too. During the festival, relatives gather together and exchange the goods wishes among each others. Holding the chariots processing from Bhairav, the form of Shiva, is regarded as important aspects of the Biscuit Yatra. Similar to colliding of the carrot, piercing the tongue, and process of chariots had been held on the same day. The next one is Eid. The festival Eid is enthusiastically celebrated by Nepal by the followers of Islam religions. Eid is celebrated throughout the month of Ramadan of Hijri Sambat. In this religion's occasion, capacitated peoples donate 2.5% of their income to the poor. This way they have list arranged some of their poor people's livelihood. Activities such as reciting the Quran, reading the namaz, and sacrificing Qurbani, the animals, are being are performed in these festivals. So with this we will end this lecture and we will discuss more festival in the next lecture. Thank you.